Hi guys, today we're going to be installing two car seats into a 2018 Volvo S90. We have the Uppababy car seat with built-in base adapter. This is for newborns and for rear facing. And then we have this Graco 3-position car seat as well. This is still rear facing. This is for our older daughter who is 3. This is for our newborn who is 3 months. Oh, here. It's the Uppababy Mesa. Now we're putting in the Graco 3-in-1. What you can see is the operation to move the seat forward. The Uppababy has a detachable base, but I'm going to put both in together, which is what I often do. It slides right in. Now the base is set down without the seat on top. It uses the latch system. There's that solid click. And on the other side, you have to press a button to release the tensioner. The Uppababy has an automatic spring tensioner versus a manual tightening belt like the Graco. It's just a key difference between the higher price point models, and it's definitely easier to use the built-in latch. Here comes the Mesa, and it clicks right in very smoothly. You can see how much room is in the front, and we end up using this for storage much more than the rear, the trunk. We put bags, suitcases. Here you can kind of get a sense of what the spacing is like. Again, based on the passenger seat, there's plenty of room for a 6-foot adult, and there's still no contact. I really like the gap between the car seat and the passenger seat, and there's that gap on both sides. That's opposed to a normal, even large SUVs. The larger car seats, such as that Graco, can come in contact with the front seat when it's reclined back for somebody who's 6 feet tall. And now we'll take them out of the car. You can see the Uppababy Hey guys, so that wraps up this review of the Graco Extend2Fit 3-in-1 and the Uppababy Mesa installed in a 2018 Volvo S90. You know, we have technically enough room to sit back here, but for somebody like me, it's a pretty tight fit. I would recommend somebody a little bit skinnier or very short car rides. So if you like this type of content, smash that like button and subscribe for more Volvo S90.